Okay, hair products, very easy as well. I use regular L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner, and my hair, because again, I'm in the water all the time, all summer long, with streaks of highlights and all that, and it's all natural hair, of course. I love Vidal Sassoon. It's the color cream, okay? And all it is like a very gel, kind of moussey, very, very light. And I kind of like beach waves because, again, anything to do with water, beach, that's me. So I just like scrunch it up, very simple, all over to where kind of it almost looks messy because, well, messy's in, gee whiz, you know. And then my favorite is, I know you guys are gonna laugh, but Barbie, Barbie, Barbie. I used to use this on my kids all the time, and it's the detangler, and it's called Cotton Candy, because I love things that smell like apple masks, coconut conditioners, cotton candy detanglers. I just love it all. So with this, it's so great, you guys, especially for super long, long, long hair. I just like spray it, couple little sprays all the way down so it doesn't get tangled, and same on this side. Nothing like a little cotton candy, makes you feel like you're at the carnival. Delicious. So anyways, and then again, same thing. If I got time, I just let it like kind of air dry, while I'm just getting dressed. That way all this is just kind of curls. I might twist it a little, put it up, or curl it. But if I don't have time, like I said, a few squirts, and voila, ready to go. It's that simple, okay? Don't waste all this time with hot rollers and blow dryers and all this stuff. Ooh, too many things to do in life to waste time, blah, 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 okay? So be happy with what you got and go, all right? Well, this took care of the hair tutorial.